Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Let me discuss about the project Two Cooperative Ant Colonies for Feature Selection using Fuzzy Models. We discuss about the concept of the project Two Cooperative Ant Colonies for Feature Selection using Fuzzy Models. Due to wide computation and availability of cost-efficient data strategies, storage, enormous amount of information are being accumulated in the database. The primary objective of huge data collection is to determine formally new patterns and knowledge that aid in efficient decision-making process. This necessitates the invention of tools and methods to segregate information that from that data are collected by the process. In the process, we use diabetic persons database. One of the most important techniques in the data preprocessing for classification is feature selection. In this project, we use ant colony optimization. Less relevant or high correlated feature decreases in general the classification accuracy and enlarge the complexity of the classifier. The goal is to find a reduced set of features that reveals the best classification accuracy for a classifier. As rules-based structure revealed to be useful quantitative description for classification system. Two pronoms matrix and two different heuristics are used for this objective. We use ant colony optimization. Feature selection is an important task which can significantly affect the performance of data. For n feature existing on ASIO based feature selection method needs to transfer the complete graph with omega n square edges. The proposed novel method gives the high accuracy. An ant colony is the basic family unit around which ants organize their life cycle. In this way, we calculate the probabilistic technique to solve computational problem which can be reduced to finding good paths through graphs. The more time it takes for an ant to travel down the path and back again, the more time the phenomems have to evaporate. A short path by comparison get marched over frequently, and thus the phenomenon density becomes higher or shorter path than longer ones. Phenomenon evaporation also has the advantage of availing convenience to a local optimal solution. We perform the Adabus classifier to classify the diabetic patient's result. Adabus creates a stronger learner by iteratively adding weak learners. It gives high accuracy result. Let me discuss the flow of the project Two Cooperative Ant Colonies for Feature Selection using Fuzzy Models. In this project, let's separately perform two processes, one for database process, one for query process. Initially, we perform train all data. In the train all data, in this project, we use diabetic persons data set. The diabetic patient data set consists diabetic patients data. We perform ant colony feature selection process to select the best features. After the feature selection, we store the feature values, that is called trained data. The stored features are stored, then perform insert data, insert 1% diabetic data, then perform ant colony feature selection. After performing ant colony feature selection, the best features are selected and stored in test data. This is the test data and trained data values are matched. This matching is done by Adabus classifier. Adabus is called adaptive because it uses multiple iterations to generate a single composite strong learner. Adabus creates a stronger learner by iteratively adding weak learners. During each round of training, a new weak learner is added to the assembler and a weighting vector is adjusted to focus on examples that were misclassified in previous round. The result is a classifier that has higher accuracy than the weak learner classifier. After that, we perform the classification process and then perform the performance accuracy value. Accuracy is calculated and displayed in the percentage format and also in the graph format that displays the sensitivity and specificity graph to display the performance of this project.
Let we see the running procedure of the project. 2 cooperative and colonies for feature selection. These are the files used in our project. Right click on the main.m file and press run file button to run the project. The open window executes and press any one data that is in the mat file format. Each data consists the data set of the persons. Each person data set is displayed. You can select any one data set and perform the processing for the ant colony optimization. The selected data is consist of 9 fields. Last 9th field consists the class of the project, that is it classifies the result of the person and it loads the person's data asset. It takes some times to execute. One of the most important techniques in the data pre-processing for classification is feature selection. Decrease in general the classification accuracy and enlarge the complexity of classifier. The goal is to find a reduced search of features that reveal the best classification accuracy for classifier, as rules-based structures reveal to be a useful qualitative descriptor for classification system. The goal is to find a reduced set of features that reveals the best classification accuracy for the classifier. In this ant colony optimization that calculate the shortest path to search the selected features. In this project we select 5 features that the selected 5 feature is to be displayed in the command window and the execution time also displayed in the same window. And finally we get the graph also in this project. We load all the train data, that is all the patients data are loaded and perform classification. Before that it perform the feature selection, that is by ant colony optimization for both database and query data. The performed features are displayed only for query data. The query data features are selected and displayed in the command window. You can see the trained feature selection table in the train.mat file. The command window displays the selected feature. From the 9 features it selected the 5 features and displays the result as abnormal, and it also displays the performance of this classification, that is 98%. It classifies the result by AdaBoost classifier. The elapsed time is displayed in the screen, that is 210 seconds, and it also displayed the graph. This graph displays the sensitivity and specificity for this project. The classified result also displayed and the graph shows the sensitivity, specificity, accuracy are displayed. Thank you.